Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan, guys. Thanks for joining me today. What am I making? Date balls. Date balls are extremely healthy if you make them on the healthier side, correct? Absolutely. But there's one single ingredient that's going to take the already healthy date balls to a new superfood level. Why? Because it's a complete protein containing all 9 of the essential amino acids. Step inside, let's get it. Alright guys, this is what I'm working with today. Remember, there's one single ingredient out of all of these right here that's going to take your already healthy date balls to a new superfood level. So, let's go ahead and break it down. A half a cup of almonds, a half a cup of walnuts, a half a cup of shredded coconut, a quarter cup of hemp hearts. I do have 1 teaspoon of cacao, 1 teaspoon of agave, 1 tablespoon of PB2, which is peanut powder, a half a tablespoon of coconut oil, a pinch of sea salt, and 1 cup of dates. So, the first thing you want to do is to add all of your hard ingredients first, which are the nuts, and then you add the rest to break these down very well. So, we're going to add the almonds, the walnuts, the shredded coconut, and the hemp hearts. We're going to go ahead and blend that. So let me show you the consistency that we're working with here. Just like this. It's like breadcrumbs. This is beautiful. This is perfect, just like that, okay? So that's the consistency that we're looking for. Now, we can go ahead and add in all of the other ingredients. We have the dates, we have the cacao, we have the agave, we have the peanut powder. Let's get all that in there, guys. We have the coconut oil, and we have the sea salt. Mix it all together. See you in about a minute, guys, all right? All right, guys, that's been about a minute. Let's go ahead and take the top off, and let me go ahead and show you the consistency that I'm working with right here. Look at that. So when you go ahead and grab it and push it down, it stays in that form. That's exactly what we're looking for. So go ahead and get yourself a plate or a little pan like that, a cookie sheet, because they're going to go ahead and go in the refrigerator for about a half hour until they harden up, okay? So you grab some like this. Let me bring it up close, just like that. You see when I go ahead and form it, it stays in its shape. That's exactly what we're looking for, just like that. Go ahead and, actually that's a little bit big, I'm going to take some out. Go ahead and roll it like that. Beautiful. Look at that. Let me go ahead and break it open and then I'll redo it, okay? Beautiful. That's exactly what we're looking for. Just like this. Do a couple more. This makes about 17, depending on the size, okay, of yours. Go ahead and do another one. Just like that. Beautiful. Fill up the whole pan, stick it in the refrigerator. Now look at this plate I already have done. There you go. Beautiful. Who wants some? Come on down, guys. So I have some walnuts crushed. I have agave, you could dip it in. And I do have some hemp hearts. So the one single ingredient right here is going to be the hemp hearts, guys. They're not going to be the hemp seeds, but the hemp hearts. That right there is a complete protein with all 9 of the essential amino acids, taking your date balls to the next level, okay? My name is Joseph. Be well, be safe. Again, guys, be yourself. Thanks for watching.